3 seconds. The present petition under Section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 has been instituted by the petitioner wife seeking dissolution of marriage on the grounds of cruelty and desertion. The marriage between the parties was solemnized on 13/3/2021 at Bharatpur, and two children were born from the wedlock. The petitioner has averred that soon after the marriage, the respondent husband subjected her to repeated verbal abuse, humiliation, and neglect. It is further alleged that the respondent frequently left the matrimonial home without intimation, failed to provide financial support, and ultimately deserted the petitioner and children in July 2023. Despite repeated efforts at reconciliation, the respondent neither resumed cohabitation nor discharged his obligations as husband and father. The respondent, in his written statement, has denied all allegations of cruelty. He contends that it was the petitioner who willfully withdrew from his company and that he made sincere attempts to reunite, which were thwarted by her indifferent attitude. The respondent has prayed for dismissal of the petition. Having heard learned counsel for both sides and perused the evidence adduced, this court finds that the testimonies of the petitioner and her witnesses inspire confidence. The documentary evidence, including a school fee receipts and communication records, clearly establish that the respondent failed to provide financial support and neglected his family. On the contrary, the respondent has not been able to produce any cogent material to substantiate his defense. The conduct of the respondent in abandoning the petitioner and minor children without reasonable cause and in failing to maintain them constitutes mental cruelty within the meaning of Section 13 first IEA of the Act. Further, his absence from the matrimonial home for a continuous period exceeding 2 years amounts to desertion under Section 13 first IB. Accordingly, this court is of the considered view that the petitioner has successfully established the statutory grounds for dissolution of marriage. The marriage solemnized between the petitioner Srimati Radhika Devi and the respondent Sri Anil Sharma on 13/3/2021 stands dissolved by a decree of divorce. The custody of the two minor children shall remain with the petitioner mother with visitation rights to the respondent on alternate weekends. The respondent is directed to pay rupees 10,000 per month towards maintenance of the children.